know many English words. You know want, need, go, have, and like. But when you speak, you still feel slow. Why?
Yes, that happens to me. I know the words, but my brain translates for my language first, then I speak slowly.
Exactly. Many English learners do this. They translate word by word. But native speakers do not usually speak word by word. They speak in chunks.
Chunks? What is a chunk?
A chunk is a small group of words that native speakers use together. For example, I want to, I need to, and I'm going to. When you learn chunks, you do not build every sentence from zero. You start with a ready-made piece of English.
So chunks help me speak faster?
Yes. Today, you will learn 5 simple chunks that help you talk about plans, needs, duties, and polite wishes. The 5 chunks are I want to, I need to, I'm going to, I have to, and I'd like to.
Nice. These sound very useful for daily conversation.
They are. After this lesson, you will be able to say what you want, what you need, what you plan to do, what you must do, and what you politely want.
That sounds perfect for beginners.
Let's start with a real situation. Imagine you are at a coffee shop before work. You are busy. You need coffee, you have a meeting, and you want to speak naturally.
I can imagine it. I am standing in line, thinking in English, but my brain is translating slowly.
Right. Instead of translating, use chunks. For example, I'd like to order a coffee. I need to check my email. I'm going to join a meeting. I have to leave soon. I want to practice English every day.
Wow, these sentences are simple, but they sound natural.
Exactly. Let's learn each chunk one by one. Chunk number 1, I want to. Repeat, I want to.
I want to.
Good. Be careful. Many learners say, I want speak English. That is not correct. After want, use to plus the base verb. Say, I want to speak English.
So not I want speak, but I want to speak.
Correct. A better natural example is, I want to improve my speaking this year. Chunk number 2, I need to. Repeat, I need to.
I need to.
I need to means something is necessary. Use it when you must do something because it is important. Example, I need to practice for 10 minutes.
I need to practice for 10 minutes.
Common mistake. Learners sometimes say, I need practice English. A more natural sentence is, I need to practice English.
I need to practice English.
Very good. Another natural example is, I need to send this message before lunch. Chunk number 3, I'm going to. Repeat, I'm going to.
I'm going to.
I'm going to means you have a plan or intention. Use it when you already decided to do something. Example, I'm going to watch one English video tonight.
I'm going to watch one English video tonight.
Common mistake. Some learners say, I going to watch. Remember, say I'm going to, not I going to.
I'm going to watch. I'm going to learn. I'm going to try.
Excellent. A better natural example is, I'm going to practice these chunks after work. Chunk number 4, I have to. Repeat, I have to.
I have to.
I have to means something is necessary because of a rule, duty, or situation. Use it for responsibilities. Example, I have to attend a meeting at 9.
I have to attend a meeting at 9.
Common mistake. Some learners say, I must to go. In English, we say, I have to go or I must go. Do not say must to.
So, I have to go is natural.
Yes. A better natural example is, I have to finish this task today. Chunk number 5, I'd like to. Repeat, I'd like to.
I'd like to.
I'd like to means I want to, but it is more polite. Use it when ordering, asking, or speaking in a polite situation. I'd like to order a coffee.
I'd like to order a coffee.
Common mistake. Learners may say, I like to order coffee when they mean I want to order now. I like to do something means you enjoy doing something in general. I'd like to do something means you politely want to do something now.
So I like to drink coffee means I enjoy coffee. I'd like to order coffee means I want coffee now.
Exactly. A better natural example is, I'd like to ask a question. These chunks are small but powerful.
Yes.
Now let's practice them in a short dialogue at the coffee shop.
Great. I'll try to listen for all 5 chunks.
Good morning. You look busy today.
Yes, I am. I need to prepare for a meeting.
Do you want anything before the meeting?
Yes, I'd like to order a hot coffee, please.
Good choice. Are you going back to the office now?
Yes, I'm going to meet my team at 9.
Nice. Do you have time to practice English today?
I want to practice after work, but I have to finish my report first.
That was excellent. You used all 5 chunks naturally.
I did? I said I need to, I'd like to, I'm going to, I want to, and I have to.
Exactly. This is how chunks work. You start with the chunk, then add your idea.
It feels easier than translating every word.
Now it's time for shadowing practice. Listen and repeat after me. First, slow speed. I want to speak English naturally.
I want to speak English naturally.
I need to practice every day.
I need to practice every day.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I have to leave soon.
I have to leave soon.
I'd like to ask a question.
I'd like to ask a question.
Great. Now normal speed. Repeat after me. I want to speak English naturally.
I want to speak English naturally.
I need to practice every day.
I need to practice every day.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I have to leave soon.
I have to leave soon.
I'd like to ask a question.
I'd like to ask a question.
Excellent. Now natural speed. Try to copy the rhythm. I want to speak English naturally.
I want to speak English naturally.
I need to practice every day.
I need to practice every day.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I'm going to watch this lesson again.
I have to leave soon.
I have to leave soon.
I'd like to ask a question.
I'd like to ask a question.
Great job. Now let's do a substitution drill. This means you keep the chunk but change the ending.
So I can make many sentences from one chunk?
Exactly. Let's start with I want to. Say, I want to learn English.
I want to learn English.
I want to speak faster.
I want to speak faster.
I want to feel confident.
I want to feel confident.
Now, I need to. I need to study today.
I need to study today.
I need to call my friend.
I need to call my friend.
I need to drink more water.
I need to drink more water.
Now, I'm going to. I'm going to read a book.
I'm going to read a book.
I'm going to join the meeting.
I'm going to join the meeting.
I'm going to practice tonight.
I'm going to practice tonight.
Now, I have to. I have to go now.
I have to go now.
I have to finish my work.
I have to finish my work.
I have to wake up early.
I have to wake up early.
Now, I'd like to. I'd like to order tea.
I'd like to order tea.
I'd like to ask for help.
I'd like to ask for help.
I'd like to book a room.
I'd like to book a room.
Excellent practice. Notice the pattern. You do not need to translate. You can start with the chunk and add one simple idea.
I like this method. It feels like building sentences with ready-made pieces.
That's right. English chunks help your mouth speak before your brain translates too much. Start small. Practice one chunk many times, then use it in real life.
So today I can say, I want to improve, I need to practice, I'm going to try, I have to be patient, I'd like to speak English naturally.
Beautiful. That is a great summary. Now here's your mini challenge. Write or say one sentence using one of today's chunks. For example, I'm going to practice English for 10 minutes today.
Or, I'd like to speak English with more confidence.
Perfect. Put your sentence in the comments or say it out loud right now.
Don't worry about being perfect, just practice.
Let's review. Today you learned 5 chunks. I want to, I need to, I'm going to, I have to, and I'd like to.
I want to is for desire. I need to is for necessity. I'm going to is for a plan. I have to is for responsibility. I'd like to is for polite wants.
Excellent. Remember, do not translate word by word. Learn chunks, repeat chunks, and use chunks in real life.
Small chunks can make speaking much faster.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.